Let's take a look at the Imaje 9040 米 Akine. What about its recycling failure? First of all, there are several reasons for recovery failure, and then we have the first one. Offset of the ink line due to a blocked nozzle didn't go into the recycling tank. At this point, we just need to clean the nozzle. We have one over here. Solvent inhalation we can use, or one of the nozzles down here. Both of these can open up our nozzles. We press OK if the solvent is inhaled. Select the solvent to inhale and then we press OK. Then we take the washing pot right in the middle of our nozzle, then spray cleaning solution. Spray one for about 20 seconds. And then we'll try again. Which means we didn't get the ink into the recycling tank. We can inhale this container and change it too. The ink line is open. Open the second ink line and press OK. When we found the ink line into the recycling tank, and I heard the sound of recycling. This is when the nozzle is already cleaned. If not, if the nozzle is still blocked, we can do this again. The next nozzle opens up. We select the nozzle and press the confirm button. Then what? The nozzle's gonna keep going down. And then until we ink the line, get in this recycling tank. This is a recovery failure caused by a blocked nozzle. When we heard this recycling sound, we heard, we are gonna stop this sound from being recovered. We'll shut it down. And then we clean up the dirty ink here. Clean up. Then we open the ink line again. Good. We heard this clatter. The ink line goes completely into the recovery tank. That means we've got the nozzle open. This is the first case. Recovery failure caused by clogged nozzle. The second case. We claim fault caused by ink line offset. At this time we can adjust our screw. Let's loosen this screw, and then adjust this little one. Small screws that adjust our ink line left and right. We'll need to adjust the hole if we go back and forth. We take wire in this hole, thicker steel wire or a deformed paper clip, and then you stick it in this hole, and then move to the left or to the right. Then we can adjust it to the front and back of the line. The left and right of the ink line we adjust this screw, and then back and forth we have to adjust this hole, adjust this screw. This is the second type of recovery failure.